Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Those who are stopping at my channel for the first time, this is Aruna here. In this video, I'm so thankful to Addlon for selecting me to enhance my Halloween DIYs with their beautiful string lights. My ideas and their amazing products made my Halloween decorations to the next level. I would definitely recommend these LED string lights from Addlon. These string lights are exceptionally sturdy and looks amazing at night. Addlon string lights are shatterproof, sunproof, windproof, snowproof, and weatherproof. These string lights are available in both glass and plastic bulbs. As I have partnered with Addlon, they sent me 2 sets of LED string lights for my Halloween DIY projects. I would definitely say that the packaging is strong enough to protect the item from breaking. The string lights are 48 feet long with 15 sockets for bulbs. The total package comes with 2 boxes, one with the wire and the other box with the bulbs. So let's move on to my DIYs. For the first project, you will need some foam party plates, some cat-shaped felt pieces. The cat-shaped felt pieces you will get in dollar store. And you will also need some 3D plastic eyes. First, I will go ahead and fix the felt shape on the foam plate with hot glue gun. I will add the eyes to the cat. Lastly, I will make a folded paper look with this orange crepe paper. So here is my cute and scary cat decor is ready to hang. In my second project, I made a spooky hanging decor. For this decoration, we will need black party plates which I purchased from Walmart. Here I am using this wooden spooky cutout which I got from Dollar Tree, and the set of tiny ghosts and bat cutout is also from Dollar Tree. I also need white chalk paint and orange acrylic paint. So first I will go ahead and color the spooky world with this dark orange color and the ghosts with white chalk paint. I will also color the other ghosts with white chalk paint. After drying it completely, I will attach it to the plate with my hot glue gun. Now I will attach the ghosts on the top of the section of the plate. After attaching all the tiny parts, I am making a buffalo plate bow to attach on the top. For the third project, you will need some white party cups and orange crepe paper. The white party cups are very much available to Walmart as well as in Dollar Tree. I got the orange crepe paper from Michael's. So here I am cutting out a piece of the orange crepe paper to cover the cup. I will need another piece of paper to do my next step. Here I need to fold the paper in half to attach it around the cup with my hot glue gun. Then I will go ahead and cut some of the portion with my scissor to make a beautiful decoration. So in this way I created this beautiful spreaded lace decoration to the cute pumpkin cup. Lastly, I will draw the Halloween spooky eyes with my black marker. I would like to thanks again to Addlon for providing me this opportunity to work with them.